In the heart of our oceans, a world of vibrant colors and intricate structures unfolds. Corals, often mistaken for plants or even rocks, are in fact fascinating animals. Their stationary nature and plant-like appearance can be deceiving. However, beneath the surface lies a complex and delicate ecosystem that plays a crucial role in the health of our oceans. Corals belong to the phylum Cnidaria, a diverse group that includes jellyfish and sea anemones. Like their relatives, corals are simple animals, lacking many of the complex organs found in higher animals. Yet their simplicity belies a remarkable ability to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their success lies in a unique partnership, a symbiotic relationship with tiny algae that live within their tissues. This intricate dance of life forms the foundation of coral reefs, the underwater cities that teem with a staggering diversity of marine life. One of the most fascinating aspects of coral biology is their symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These tiny plant-like organisms reside within the tissues of corals, creating a mutually beneficial partnership. Zooxanthellae possess the remarkable ability to harness the sun's energy through photosynthesis. They convert sunlight into sugars, providing corals with essential nutrients for growth and survival. In return, corals offer the algae a safe haven and a steady supply of carbon dioxide, a byproduct of their respiration. This delicate balance is essential for the survival of both organisms. The algae provide the corals with the energy they need, while the corals offer the algae a protected environment and the raw materials they need for photosynthesis. This remarkable partnership is a testament to the interconnectedness of life in our oceans. The basic unit of a coral is the polyp. These tiny, soft-bodied creatures are the architects of the magnificent coral reefs that grace our oceans. Each polyp is a simple organism with a sac-like body and a single opening that serves as both mouth and anus. Surrounding the mouth are tentacles armed with stinging cells called nematocysts. These tentacles are used to capture tiny plankton and other small organisms from the surrounding water. The captured prey is then drawn into the polyp's mouth and digested in its stomach cavity. One of the most remarkable features of coral polyps is their ability to secrete calcium carbonate, a hard, durable substance. This calcium carbonate forms the skeleton of the coral, providing support and protection for the delicate polyps. Over time, as countless polyps grow and die, their skeletons accumulate, forming the massive structures we know as coral reefs. Hard corals versus soft corals, a tale of two types. The world of corals is incredibly diverse, with thousands of species inhabiting our oceans. These species can be broadly classified into two main types, hard corals and soft corals. Each type possesses unique characteristics that contribute to the beauty and biodiversity of coral reefs. Hard corals, also known as reef-building corals, are the architects of the magnificent coral structures that capture our imagination. Their polyps secrete hard calcium carbonate skeletons that form the framework of the reef. These skeletons provide a stable base for other organisms to attach and grow, creating a complex and interconnected ecosystem. Soft corals, on the other hand, do not produce rigid calcium carbonate skeletons. Instead, they have softer, more flexible bodies that resemble plants or trees. These corals often have a fleshy appearance and come in a dazzling array of colors and shapes. While they do not contribute to the reef's structure in the same way as hard corals, they play a vital role in the reef's biodiversity, providing food and shelter for a wide range of marine life. Coral reefs, underwater cities of life. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea for a reason. These vibrant ecosystems are home to an astonishing diversity of life, rivaling that of tropical rainforests. From brightly colored fish and intricate invertebrates to graceful sharks and majestic sea turtles, coral reefs teem with a kaleidoscope of life. The intricate structure of coral reefs provides a multitude of habitats for marine organisms. Fish seek refuge from predators within the coral branches, while crabs and lobsters find shelter in crevices. Sponges and sea squirts filter food from the water, while moray eels and octopus lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. Coral reefs are not only important for marine life, but they also provide a number of benefits for humans. They act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from erosion caused by waves and storms. They are also a source of food and income for millions of people worldwide, supporting fishing and tourism industries. The life cycle of a coral: feeding and reproduction. Despite their plant-like appearance, corals are animals, and like all animals, they need to feed to survive. While their symbiotic algae provide them with a significant portion of their energy, corals are also opportunistic feeders, capturing tiny organisms from the water column. When night falls and the plankton rise from the depths, coral polyps extend their tentacles, armed with stinging cells called nematocysts. These stinging cells inject toxins into their prey, paralyzing them. The tentacles then contract, drawing the captured prey into the polyp's mouth for digestion. Corals reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexual reproduction allows corals to expand their colonies rapidly. Polyps divide into genetically identical clones, expanding the colony's size. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, is essential for maintaining genetic diversity within coral populations. Protecting our coral reefs, a shared responsibility. Coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats from human activities. Climate change, pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices are pushing these delicate ecosystems to the brink. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel their symbiotic algae, leading to their starvation and death. The loss of coral reefs would be devastating, not only for the countless species that depend on them, but also for millions of people worldwide who rely on them for food, income, and coastal protection. It is imperative that we take immediate action to protect these vital ecosystems. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving water quality, and establishing sustainable fishing practices are essential steps in the right direction. Education and awareness are also crucial, as understanding the importance of coral reefs and the threats they face is the first step towards their conservation. The future of our coral reefs and the countless species that depend on them lies in our hands.